The great thing about having a fishing tackle shop is that you've already figured out the hardest part of YouTube. How do you make money at it? And so if you've already figured out the hardest part, then why put your fishing tackle shop on YouTube? Why go through the trouble? Because I'm gonna tell you, it takes a long time to build a YouTube channel. Oh, whoa, there we go. Oh man, we had a solid hit, man. That was a solid hit. That's why you can actually show the products you sell at work in their native environment and actually let people see how the products that you sell work before they buy. All right. We got a 10-pound line on here today. We might be able to muscle him. No, we better not. All right. I might keep this bad boy for a sandwich. Nice drum. Oh, now you got a poop on me. Nice drum, fellas. That's a nice drum right there. That's a nice drum. Oh, we got him here. And the assist hook. Okay. All right. Stop it. Ugh. Stinky. Other things, you probably already have regular customers. You probably already have people who are coming in every week to buy your stuff, to buy worms, to buy hooks, to buy baits. They're coming in, they're buying stuff from you already, and so they're primed to consume content from you, right? Tell me it's the same fish. No. Haha, it's a little channel catfish. Come on. Come on. There we go. 10-pound test on today. We can totally come on, stop it. Let's see. Oh, where's our other hook? Oh yeah, we got them both. He's got hooked on both. Yeah, nice little juvenile channel. This color pattern with the black strap back and the red undergullet works best, I find. I gotta get me some. I normally like to run 8-pound, but I think today I want to run 10-pound because I just rather horse them in a little bit and a little bit less finesse. Not a bad fish. You see the color there, that olive color? That's a good color. I need to try to figure out how I can simulate that color in my jigs. But the reality is, this color pattern is a good sort of impression of a shad. You got a gill plate there, red, and black on the back strap, black there on the back.
It's up to you to define a niche and to find a group of people that you really want to serve. Like here, I want to serve fishing tackle shop owners, small manufacturers, and fishing tackle makers, to teach them what I've done to grow my YouTube channel, to pass on the knowledge I've learned to them. Once you find out a people group, it's very easy to figure out what kind of content to make.
built-in audience. It's just a matter of taking the people who are regularly coming into your shop or buying your products on Etsy or eBay, wherever it is that you sell, and you just say, hey, I now have a YouTube channel. Go check it out if you have the time. You're going to automatically you're converting that audience, that customer base, into an audience. And they will watch, and they will come back from time, they will watch. All right. We're not even drifting. We're just still fishing. Uh-oh. Undoubtedly, you've had customers who come in and ask you some of the same questions over and over. And so, to make a video or series of videos answering your most frequently asked questions is a great way to serve your customers. And that's, I think, the biggest reason to use YouTube for your fishing tackle shop. Just think of it as an extension of your customer service arm.